Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group, and I thought today I'd talk about using a listing agent to represent you when you're buying a house. The question is, should you? Many people have asked me, I'll get a better deal if I use the listing agent. I'll give you an analogy that someone gave to me when I started in the business. If you were going through a divorce, would you use your wife's attorney to represent you? Probably not. It's hard. If I have a client and I'm representing a seller, it's hard for me not to have their best interest at heart first. So sure, I might be able to shave a little bit off the commission. But if I'm representing you as the buyer and I don't know the sellers and you're my only client, I can probably get you a heck of a lot more than that 1% off that they shaved off the commission. You need someone fighting for you in your corner the whole way through. So, should you use the listing agent? The simple answer is never when you're buying a house. Hope that's helpful. Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. If you have any questions, please call me.